Paula, be prepared for a major portion of I-70.
And Paula?
Yeah, this one's not going to be much fun. If you live in Michigan, you undoubtedly have this. Snow against the house. The question is, how problematic is it? Well, it could be very. Just about everybody has snow up against their house. How bad is it?
It can be bad with these super high drifts because when it melts, it could get into the house through little nooks and crannies, through the siding, through any hole that it possibly could. So if you can, and that's not always possible, it's not a bad idea to clear some of the snow away from your house, and especially, like you mentioned earlier, away from downspouts and things like that, because when it does come time for that water to flow, when it gets up to 40, which might be this weekend, this stuff's going to start to flow, and all this snow is going to become water.
But come on, Dale, you want us to get the snow away from the entire house?
Well, I would be careful where it's snow drifting up because of the wind. We got some 3 and 4 and 5 foot snow drifts against the house. You probably want to get those areas down and away so when it starts melting, because this baby's going to melt someday, that the water doesn't get into your house. So get it shoveled away.
Okay, good. Thanks for being with us. All right, stay with us. More on our Wicked Winter Survival Guide coming up. Back to you.